Hey baking fans, today we're making a delicious cherry pie from scratch. But before we dig in, let's go through the steps to make this delicious dessert. First off, get these simple ingredients together and heat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit to get it ready. Mix sweet cherries with sugar, cornstarch, lemon juice, almond extract, cinnamon, and a bit of salt. Blend it all for a tasty filling. We pre-made our crust, so it is ready to go, but if you require guidance, check out our pie crust tutorial video titled Mastering Perfect Pie Crust, your step-by-step path to buttery, flaky perfection, available on our channel. Add the vibrant cherry mixture into the prepared crust and place the delightful buttery additions on its surface. Cover it with another layer of dough in a crisscross pattern. Alternatively, you can cut out several patterns on the top crust to allow the steam to escape and create a decorative touch. Give your pie a golden shine by brushing it with egg wash and a sprinkle of sugar. Now let the oven do its thing. As the smell of baked cherries fills the kitchen, watch this beauty cook in the oven. Its golden crust promises a delicious treat. And there you have it, a heavenly slice of pie. It's not just dessert, it's a mix of flavors and memories to share. Speaking of sharing, here's a happy moment as my daughters enjoy this homemade cherry pie. Thanks for joining us on this tasty adventure. If you like this, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more delicious recipes. Till next time, happy baking.